20,000 XP from just playing one game of Rebirth. Not even one game. I had 20,000 from killing 7 people. Jesus. Right? Yeah, Rebirth is way easier. All you do is just go play one game of eye tripping, yep. Change your mind. Bro. I swear to God, I'm about to change my name to literally fucking bag shots, dude. It's just... I turned my fucking back and he's behind me, bro. My God, dude. Yo, the sound in this game sometimes blows. Sometimes. My aim is ass today. It's so bad. I'm missing every bullet. These kids are literally playing up like roofs, bro. Like they're literally playing like they're winning money today. I don't understand. Because they're acting like they're winning 50 grand. God, they made the movement in this game slow as shit. Might just play tomorrow, bro. I don't really see, or 2 days from now. I just don't really see this game being good for another couple days, honestly. I'm trying to get gameplays for oh my fucking God, dude, just stop camping. Why are you fucking camping on roofs so much? I've never ran into this many kids sitting on roofs, bro. Fucking bunch of Mexicans, dude. Fucking love roofs, huh? Little small dick Mexican. Nah, I want that SMG though, that's why. I don't know, low key, I feel like the Amex got worse. He does not be hitting. There's a lot of things I can't believe right now, bro. I'm having disbeliefs right now in this game. But they need to up the range to like at least like 50 feet at least. Actually, that might be too OD. Nah, not like 20.
Yo, help, 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 help! Please!
Hey.
Yeah, figured.
I've never seen so many fucking Mexicans love roofs in my life, dude. Like, these kids are obsessed with these roofs. I mean, yeah, sure makes sense. They do build the roofs. You got a point.
I don't give a fuck who it is.
In High Trip, all it was is just camping on the roofs. That's all that map was. That map was just unplayable. I can't play that map. Dude, Tctekk was literally playing Ring today.
About some shit.
Go fuck yourself. just feels like the aim max just got worse. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. This just don't feel like it did. Something just don't feel right. I'm getting it, bro. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to play today, bro. I just don't. God, like, double boxes even ass too. Jesus, man. Not 27, but a bunch of fucking no pussy getters. How the fuck do I tell you, dude? These kids literally, bro, are so weird. I got 29. 14 people left alive. Must be nice. What lobby are you in? Like I said, bro, I don't know what my lobby is, dude.
You have to camp guns.
I think my lobby's Dieow though more than yours.
Have mercy, bro.
Your lobby stay alive somehow. I don't know how. And I'm not even team wiping either. That's the crazy part. $33. 11 people left alive. You enjoying the lobbies, bro? You think lobbies are worse than like ever? You get a 50, bro. I swear. I like something, bro. I feel like they did something to it. Like,
no.
I don't know. My settings feel weird. You know, something don't feel right. I'm feeling something off from my account right now. I don't know if they like reset a setting. Oh, I got 39. It's a gameplay. You can get a 60? What the fuck lobbies are you in? Oh, you got Jesus in your lobby. I got Satan in my lobby. Fucking ridiculous ass lobbies. My lobbies are so ass, dude. They just die fast. 4 people left alive. Are you fucking serious, dude? What? This is the worst box lock or double box I've ever seen. By far. Oh yeah, I had like 5 kills got stolen. Must be nice. Oh wow, that's insane. Yeah, I just don't think your lobbies are bad. Damn, HRM is low-key kind of fucking ass. Tell me. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that gun. You know they removed Jack/Slash, right? And he said he's done. He said what? I mean, bro, Call of Duty, man. You got just gotta think like Call of Duty, bro. You gotta have like small dicks like them, bro. You know, like I don't know. Yeah, you just gotta think like a small dick, you know. It makes sense. Some people get it, bro. I don't know. Oh, literally, that's all it is now. They're making it easy for ass players now. Honestly, at this point, I don't understand. What's the hype about this HRM, bro? Really not that good. I mean, it's alright, but it's like, I don't know. I'm still thinking, like, I don't know. 50. You could easily get a 50.
Bro, like my kills are getting robbed.
I don't get this. Oh. I just don't get how people are saying this one is like that good. I don't know, man. That's me in life. You died? You died? I think people's crazy about that's what I'll be getting. Then people keep saying the TAC 56 is good, bro. It's mid, bro. It's not really like. I keep forgetting my birthday's in like fucking 3-4 days, bro. Oh, what's Friday? What's the Thursday? Sunday, Monday. 3 days, pretty much.
Comfortable, man. Huh? After I hear you complaining since yesterday, and them lobbies out with this yesterday before we got off.
Mucho personas sofa.
I heard your ass yesterday, plus I played that one game in the night, and everybody got off. It was like, yeah, bro, it's over.
I mean, you could get it. It's just like, I don't know, you gotta lock in.
Yeah, bro, that's the thing. They leaked the sauce, now everybody's doing it.
¿Estás bien?
Yeah, but double boxing is way better.
They leaked it.
No one really knows how. That's what I'm saying. No one really knows about double box though. Like regular people like only know about one box more. Only like streamers and shit know about double box.
Pedro!
Back
Oh,
in there.
fuck, bro.
Yo, friend.
I'm gonna try to get this one gameplay.
It's not even that good, bro.
I need to get PS4 so I can. Damn.
I had my.
I need to get me a PS4 so I can play in the morning. But like after one, the ones are like
Damn, bro, I thought you were thinking you were here.
you trash.
It's not fun when you can't get your PR. Playing this shit every day, bro.
Ma, you gotta do the ice bucket challenge. No, you gotta do it again for the good lobbies.
What about me, then? Zev lobbies?
Maybe fucking. Thank you for the fucking sub.
Bro, no. Get the fuck out of here with that shit, bro. You do that too good.
Oh my god, thank you for the fucking sub.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get myself in, bro, and I'm like demon. Hey, bro, you actually scared me with that shit. Don't do that shit again.
Sub, bro, you gotta say thank you for the subs, gang.
Yeah.
Thank you for the fucking sub.
Your ass now. I knew it. Fucking do it. That's right. That's what I'm saying. I'm
Yo, well, that neighbor's dog, shut the fuck up.
Just give me a gameplay, bro, so I can put this fucking gun away, bro. Oh my god, I'm tired of using this compact, dude. I've been using it for like 2 days now. God. God, this kid is so stacky, dude. One shot, dude, and you don't fucking die. Cause I guess you're just Iron Man, bro.
There's someone on me.
You don't die.
Indeed.
Jesus. It's compact.
Let's go.
What's this gun, dude?
Hey. No, hold on.
Sucks.
Oh, the song is so good.
Compact's
Yes,
fucking
bro, the
ass.
song is amazing.
Don't get me started with that
Oh,
gun.
it's good so much.
Nah, compact. Compact. Compact ass.
What? Yo, this guy's a movement
That might have
demon,
been a
bro.
lucky game, man.
Yo, this guy's a
I
movement
just don't see
demon,
it, man. I
bro.
just don't see this compact being good.
That is crazy, bro. Holy. Yo, Cub, bro, you need to get off that game, bro.
Uy, este maldito.
Damn, bro. It's fucking Blazers guns, bro.
I just don't get it. That's my opinion. Lobbies are ass.
Use PM?
Hey, I got shot behind.
I want this dead, bro.
Same.
I don't know, man. I'm the only person with dead
Yeah, boy.
bodies.
Oh my god, bro. He's lame, bro. Come on,
Oh my god. I don't know how I'd be dropping 50s around these lobbies. This quick. Come on, don't fall. Who next? Give me a 60 bomb. I'm getting sniped, of course, bro. Of course, I'm Zev Warzone, prone to getting sniped. God, bro. Can you hop off my fucking dick, bro? Damn. I've never liked this compact, dude. Something about it. Maybe I'm just with this gun. Not 52 with it. Understand it. This gun's very bipolar. 19 people left for life. It's gonna take me fucking all night to get in play. I'm on this gun for 2 days, chat, man. 2 fucking days, man. Stupid ass weapon, dude. I'm tired of using it. Probably never gonna touch this gun ever again. This shit. Nice, and it's a team wipe. So 2 people, it's a team wipe. Nice, bro. I figured out why I can't get 60s, bro. It's because my dying ass lobbies. I figured it out. It all adds up, bro. Cockroach ass lobby. Kills 13 people left alive. Where did the lobby go? I don't know. I just changed my name, bro. I think it's just my name. Since I've had this name, bro, it's just nothing but dead lobbies. Fucking bad choo-choo. Died. I'm getting sniped again. Oh my fucking god, I got sniped twice in a row. Every game it's been a sniper behind me. I don't get it, dude. Hey, let me run a sniper and let me hit like this kid, bro. I don't know where these kids are at, dude. There's 13 people who don't know where they're at.
This nigga white.
My diamonds. There's no one can do a dead lobby, so I don't care. No one can fucking touch me with my lobbies. I swear to God, I've probably had the dyingest lobbies ever. Eyeball. How am I gonna get 60 when they're dying this fast? Now y'all see why I complain, bro. I can't get a 60. Stupid ass lobbies. You told me I have like good lobbies, bro. I'm gonna slap the shit out your silly ass. There's just no way. Oh, these are ass. Don't fucking die. Literally all die. This gun is terrible. I will never, ever, ever use this compact ever again. stacking camp. Where'd they go?
I'm down here. I'm down here.
Let's invite one of y'all back.
Wow.